Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Ledger Live on a new phone. First, download the Ledger Live application from your phone's official app store. Make sure your Ledger hardware wallet is fully charged and within reach. Once installed, open the application and tap on Get Started to initiate the setup process. This will guide you through the initial steps to link your device. Next, you'll need to connect your Ledger device. Select your specific Ledger model from the options presented within the app. Depending on your device, you might connect it using a USB cable or via Bluetooth. Carefully follow the clear, on-screen instructions to securely pair your hardware wallet with the Ledger Live application. This step is crucial for secure communication. Now you have two main options: restore existing accounts or add new ones. If you're restoring, select Restore from recovery phrase and accurately input your 24-word recovery phrase. If you're setting up fresh, choose Add New Account. After this, take a moment to verify that all your cryptocurrency accounts are correctly synchronized and visible within the application. Finally, let's talk security and next steps. It is absolutely vital to keep your 24-word recovery phrase private and stored in a very secure location. Never share it with anyone. Also, enable a strong PIN code for your Ledger Live application to add an extra layer of protection. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, please see the link in the description below. Enjoy managing your crypto securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.